Gukwana ekerekio munyakirogo bwe kiamekio imense ya Kenya Omoske Vincent Kemosi nigasegetire na goteba buna nere wiyachinga kichibono uche gutara kera chinse mona gokere kona imense ya Kenya koeneke buna barikirie ababwatani ao ime ye kiamekio gya Jubilee.
So this morning we have received them, and the deputy party leader before he left he received them officially in Jubilee Party. So from today they are now registered members of Jubilee Party, and we have agreed that from today onwards they are going to fly the Jubilee Party agenda, especially at the Coast and the Tana River region. As we have a candidate, His Excellency Okengo Matiang'i, who is our presidential candidate. From the NEC meeting that we had yesterday for the last 2 days, it was a roadmap we have come up with, that we have come with a work plan for the next 1 year.
Gagukwana hegerekio omuliki bwe kiamekio imense ya Kenya Moitarel Olekenta nere nigatebire buna ne kiama gya Jubilee gioka ikikiranya ko bagekoreta monchorelio yemeremo chiga nabo koeneke buna Bakenya batwarire okomenya kubogima bwe kerengo gya inse.
In this Jubilee, we would like to call upon the cabinet minister, the cabinet secretary, who called other Kenyans hyenas, to come out and apologize and resign his position, because he does not merit to be the CS in Kenya or in any other country. We are also calling upon the investigative agencies and the prosecution agencies to move with speed and arrest any Kenyan who is trying to divide Kenya through such unorthodox and abusive ways.
Chinga kiechecho oyo korie kero kibojumbe korua se bunge Nyaribari chacha ime kaunti ya Kisii Omoske Dr. Birundu nikonera nyare koboko mochia barai korua gusia abubare kanire gotamu bwate cia Matiang'i na goteba buna nigo barache kwenekia abarai bonsi ba nyare ko bakoboria gweterekia magia Jubilee na igokomosira Fred Matiang'i buno murai bwense omwako gocha
twarenge mukutano kadhaa kunyara gusira oyo ito Fred Okengo Matiang'i aseganga yayo kurikiyo gosuka bwense 2027 andense arolekanire bono situikire eseye mutua 2027 mugusibwensi utogosororanga twali kobege ntekemo kirense yabwatani kirumonta akali kumusira so kirumonta kulise so
nigo bono yabeire maiso marore buna abarai kurwase kiama gya Jubilee nigo barachikinyara ko bao kora itaro yabo imense ya Kenya chinsemo ao bunenchira yamo yoko eneke buna yanyoreire egati abarai bari barachi gotwariganga gosekerenga gyokorigia birogo ao ase chinsemo ao koripoteri getaseni kyagetembe kurugiga igasama gachamani kiama gya Jubilee ime yo mocho Nairobi igonkoro kwa Pius Okemwa Biogo.